So this may shock you all to know that I've filed my nails quite short. This is for practical reasons because I've got a lot of work I need to do with my hands at the moment, and it's just not practical for me to have long nails. I think with the things that I'm going to be doing, I'm likely to break them, which will cause even more damage further down the nail here possibly, if they were long, and it's just not practical. Some of the jobs that I have to do I simply cannot do with long nails. We live in an old farmhouse here in central France, and which is mostly done, but there's a few more jobs that need doing this summer. So I'm going to be doing all sorts of decorating jobs and tiling and etc. Things that I really do need short nails for. So I thought I'd do this video today to show those of you with short nails that you can still have beautiful short nails. They're just as beautiful when they're short as when they're long, and lots of people have to have different lengths of nails due to their work and for practical reasons, and some people possibly are growing out damage on their nails, so it's best to keep them short, but you can still have beautiful nails so long as they are cared for and polished nicely and care is taken with them. I think they can be just as beautiful. Now, they're not my ideal length. I don't like them as short as this normally. Like I say, it's practical at the moment for me. But don't worry, there will be, once I've done these few jobs that I'm doing, so next month, 6 weeks or so, they'll probably be short, and then I'll be growing them again. So they will eventually be back to their full length. So in this video, I shall show you in detail what I'm doing on this manicure, just to show you the differences from when you've got longer nails to when you have shorter nails, how that affects a manicure, and to inspire all of those of you with short nails to just get them polished. So let's make a start. So as usual, I've applied 2 coats of OPI natural nail base coat. And today I'll be using this Essie nail polish called June in Bloom. And it's a lovely soft pink polish with a little tiny little bit of silvery glitter in it, like a glittery hue to it. And it has a nice wide brush for ease of application. Now when my nails are short, I usually use a light coloured polish because I still like to cap the ends of my nails, the tips of my nails, because that helps your polish last longer. It protects your nails, protects the edge from being bashed against things. Even when they're short, I would still cap the ends well. And if you use a darker colour, because they're short, you will end up getting some nail polish on the skin. So if it's a light colour, it's a lot easier to clean up and it won't stain the skin. Whereas if you had, say, a red or a darkish colour or a very bright colour, it may stain the skin because it's more pigmented. So as you can see, the method is exactly the same as it is when the nails are longer. I think I shall do another coat again, so a third coat on here, because if you see the opacity isn't quite there, you can still see a little bit of the nail underneath there. It's not got a quite perfect opacity for me, so I'll do another coat on there. So that looks just about right after the third coat. As you can see, the ends have been nicely capped, so I'll do a final clean-up now.
the chemicals, they take us higher. The night's young, it has just begun, as she puts her hand in mine. We wanna chase the night, wanna dance to the light, pull stars from the sky, just two hearts running wild, never sleep, never stop.
So as you can see, short nails can be equally beautiful, so long as they're polished really nicely and cleaned up with attention to detail. They can be absolutely beautiful. So don't be afraid of showing off those beautiful short nails. Anyway, thanks very much for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and I'll see you next time.